Seven Wonders of Indonesia.
Indonesia is an exotic destination with beautiful scenery and interesting culture. It is located in Southeast Asia on the Malay Archipelago between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It is also the country with the fourth largest population in the world. Indonesia is an incredible and exotic world in which it has collected mighty volcanoes, dense equatorial forests, and numerous cultures. The country extends over 17,508 islands and has 128 active volcanoes, more than anywhere in the world. Between the islands of Sumatra and Java, Island Krakatau is located on the same name, which raises the volcano, whose eruption in 1883 is considered one of the worst natural disasters in human history. Indonesia is one of the countries with greatest biodiversity in the world, as it is located around the equator in the zone of equatorial rainforests and the two biogeographical areas, Asian and Australian Papuan language. Therefore, in the Western Islands are found plants and animals typical of Asia and the Eastern, and those also typical for Australia and New Guinea. See the biggest attractions of this exotic country, which may be called the Seven Wonders of Indonesia, though the list of amazing places does not end with them. 1. Lake Toba. Lake Toba is the largest volcanic lake in the world, measuring 100 kilometers. 30 kilometers in length and holds a depth of 505 meters. It was formed by the eruption of a giant ancient volcano 75,000 years ago. Toba is located on the island of Sumatra and is located 900 meters above sea level and is surrounded by high mountains. Strangely is that despite the lake's enormous size, the entire area is located in the crater of an ancient giant megavolcano whose power, on eruption, would be 10,000 times greater than that of Etna. 2. Raja Islands Campaign, located in northwestern Peninsula Bard's Head, is part of the island of New Guinea, shared between Papua New Guinea and Indonesia. Raja Campaign. These islands are an archipelago consisting of over 1,500 small islands, coral reefs and shoals that surround the four main islands, Masul, Salawati, Batanta, and Waigeo. Archipelago is known for its vast biological diversity. Its waters are inhabited by over 1,000 species of fish, 537 coral species, and 699 types of mollusks. Raja Campaign Islands are part of the reserve Bard's Head, which covers about 183,000 square km. 3. Krakatoa. As already mentioned, the island of Krakatoa has presented it in a volcano located in the Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra Islands. It was formed 1 million years ago, and its eruption on August 26, 1883 is considered one of the worst natural disasters in human history. Tatanit was heard only in Madagascar and far less remote in Australia, while 2/3 of the island disappeared. In 1927, the region started with new volcanic eruptions, as a result of which appeared Anak Krakatau, the child of Krakatau, which each year grows by 5 meters. For Komodo Island. Komodo is part of the eastern Lesser Sunda Islands, East Nusa Tenggara. The island has an area of 390 square meters and a population of around 2,000 people, and it is one of 5 Indonesian islands, which occurs the Komodo dragon. Residents of the island are descendants of former convicts sent here in exile, which were later mixed with the representatives of the people, Bugis on the nearby island of Sulawesi. The island is part of Komodo National Park, including 3 large islands, Komodo, Pader, and Rinco. There are numerous smaller islands with a total area of 1817 square km. 5. Jaya Peak, also known as Puncak Jaya and the Karstens Pyramid, is the highest peak in Oceania. According to the most common data, it stands at a height of 4,884 meters. The tropical island of New Guinea is shared by 2 countries, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. 6. Tropical Forest of Borneo. Borneo is the 3rd largest island in the world, as it is bordered by the Java Sea and South China and Sulu and Celebes Seas. Nearly three-quarters of the island fell of the Indonesian Kalimantan provinces. The vast majority of its remaining territory is occupied by the Malaysian and Sabah state Sarawak, while less than 1% is the domain of Brunei. On the island, it extends dense tropical forests, which support over 15,000 species of humanity, known plants and animals, some of them unique, which makes them one of the places in the world with the greatest biodiversity. Because of intensive logging in the area, currently only half of Borneo is still covered with forests, but they are large enough to provide homes and livelihood of a significant population of endangered species. 7. Mount Bromo. Mount Bromo is an active volcanic mountain which offers a wonderful variety of natural treasures and landmarks. It is located in the eastern part of the Java Island and is over 2,000 meters high. The mountain is located in a spacious plateau called Sand Sea and is best known for its beautiful views of the sunrise when the sun seems to rise from the crater of the volcano to the sky.